Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP DeskJet Advantage 4615, and now I'm going to show you how to check ink information, how to check ink levels on this device without printing documents. So to do that, I'm just going to open Preferences, then find here the first point, ink information, click on it, and then just here we have ink estimated levels, click OK, and here you have M, C, Y, K. So K is black, Y is yellow, cyan, so it's blue, and M it's mighty red. So cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!